Hey guys, so we are back at the Walgreens shelf pulls, and this is the next box. And we have another mini brand supermarket race game. And then we've got a box of Bounce that has been cut open. It smells delicious in here. Oh, look. This is actually a makeup brush set, and I actually have that makeup brush and use it every single day. So it must be good, but it's missing the beauty blender. So not sure how this is a shelf pull, but it's cool. We got little tiny water shoes. Adorable. Aqua brand. Size 7-8 for little girls. And then we've got clearly a woman's liner, panty liner, return. Bactine Max wound wash. We will keep this here at the store for first aid things. Oh, nice. This box seems to be a little open, so we'll probably keep these here as well. These are pads for feminine hygiene. This is another, oh, it's open. That is a shame. I do know someone that lives in a care facility. Maybe I'll send them these. These are Dry Shield large, depends, but they're open. So they won't be able to be sold, but maybe we can donate them. This is a Totes Soul Bounce, a little tiny, almost croc pair of shoes for children, kids 9 to 10. This is a 100-piece puzzle, Barbie puzzle. Cool. So basically anything you can find at Walgreens will be in this. This is dry shampoo without a lid. Oh, how cute. Voguish Fantasy Nails. So cute. Okay, off kids mosquito spray, which is what I love to use. This is Enamel Repair and Gum Crest Pro Health. Again, another open box. It seems like Walgreens has a hard time opening their boxes. So this is a package of Cheez-Its Grooves. Oh no, Cheez-Its White Cheddar. Not even expired yet, but it's an open package, so we can't resell it. This is a balance sheet mask, long-lasting hydration with baking soda and silic acid. Ooh. It is actually closed. There's like a little peekaboo there, but I don't think that's anything. We can totally sell that. Totally sell that. Ooh, we got Orbit's gum. It is a closed package. Mostly closed. Okay. This is cup of soup, chicken flavored cup of soup. It's open, so, and it's probably pretty, I'm not going to judge it by its cover. I'm going to look for the, nope, can't find it in time. Nope. Okay, we're moving on. We're moving on with our lives. Another Voguish Fantasy nail set, unless it's the same one. This one is a Teeny Mates series. Oh my God, there's 2 figures and 2 puzzle pieces in each pack. Oh, I have a good feeling about this one. That is amazing. Oh God, mustard. Oh, there's no label on the front of it, yo. I love mustard. Oh, Estroven, complete multi-symptom. It's open, but this is what I use, so I might just take that home. And I love mustard. Oh, look, Orbits. More Orbit gum. Not Orbits, Orbit. What is this? The Soft Touch hair oil cake. The Soft Touch. What is this? What is this? There's no lid on it. There's no package. Ultra smoothing, moisturizing, taming, totally to die for, reset, restore hair oil. The Soft Touch. Let's see. Work sparingly on damp hair or smooth through dry hair for shiny, smooth finish. Oh. Oh. That is all the encouragement that I needed. I'm going to put it in my hair. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells good. Ooh, I'm a hair model, you know. I like for my hair to look delicious. Oh, God. I did not mean to say delicious, but it smells so good. It smells, literally smells like cake. Oh, gosh. I feel bad. It's got almond oil, sunflower oil, and olive oil in it. I feel bad that we couldn't sell it. I feel really bad. Aw. Oh, here's another bottle. What is this? It's a... I don't know what it is. It literally says it's a... Oh, it's a 10... It's a 10. Does 10 things instantly. Inhibits dry, damaged hair, adds shines, detangles, helps replace lost protein. Oh, God, it goes on and on and on. It's a 10. That's the name of it. Yay! So that's the end of that box. Oh, Be Well for Life, wild caught. No label.